Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Doing a bid on a parking ramp facility. What we have is we have 2 stairwells. We have 2 elevator shafts with glass for the stairwells. One of them is rope descent systems being used. This is the anchor. This is a trolley that spans on the ceiling. Also turns the corner to clean all the exterior windows, the interior of the exterior, I should say. This is a 6-story area. Drops right down to the lobby on first floor. So you utilize the track system, connect right here, setting up a ladder to connect to the track. This also has a set of elevator windows. You can go into the elevator. What the elevator windows have, you ride on top of the elevator car to clean the windows. So you'll see the ride here as we go. So you stand on top of the car, hard hat, harness, being connected to the safety rope is required. Elevator operator operates the car for us as you stand on and clean all these exterior windows here on each floor. As you notice, we're wiping the beams, the frames, and the sills. Also has a nice slanted piece here below each window to be ensured to clean that as well. As we take a look, now we're in the lobby of the first floor of the stairwell. As we look up where we were just at, you can notice the trolley system. To clean this area. So the stairwells, there's 2 stairwells used by rope descent system, 6 stories tall. And there's 2 areas with the elevator. We can take a look on the outside. The exterior does not have anchors, so from the exterior we have to use an aerial lift to access this. So what that requires is getting permits from the city to get a street use permit to park the lift in various locations so we can suspend to clean the windows up 6 floors. With this job, I think we're going to use a water-fed pole on the exteriors to avoid the extra expense of the lift, the obstruction permit, and hooding off 2 meters where we need to store that lift while it's not in use for a day. So using a water-fed pole, I think is going to be a great option to allow our bid to come in a little less. What we're doing is we're saving the amount of money on the lift fee, but not our labor. Our labor is going to be, we'll probably charge, let's say if the lift fee is, it's an 85-foot lift, it's going to be about a $1,000 lift rental. We won't have to charge the customer this. So what we'll do is, in addition to by using a water-fed pole, we might have like water access, a little more time just to set that up. So we'll probably incur maybe a $500 fee for that. So the bid might come in $500 less than what they paid, not having to do that lift fee, but we'll get the job done just as good, if not better, than the previous company. That's a look at a different commercial property, getting the windows cleaned. It's out here on Window Warriors Forum.